Hello and welcome class 5 students. Today in this class I am going to start a new chapter of your second unit test syllabus, that is to express as a part. To express as a part is your new chapter of second unit test syllabus. To express as a part. To express as a part. Now, sometimes it becomes necessary to express one quantity as the fraction of the other quantity. Why? In order to make certain comparison. Suppose in a class in maths test, you have scored some number and the other person has scored some other number. So there should be a comparison that who got the better marks. For example, if in the class test of maths, you have scored 25 out of 30. 25 out of 30. This is your score. Whereas another student has scored 35 out of 40. 35 out of 40. These are the two marks scored by you and your friend in a class test based on the subject of mathematics. These are the two scores. So there should be a comparison between these two numbers, that which number has got the better marks. Now, to compare the performances of maths, it is necessary to express these marks obtained by you and your friend in terms of respective of full marks. What we need to do is, we need to equalize the denominator over here. See, the denominator over here is not same. You have scored 25 out of 30, whereas your friend has scored 35 out of 40. So the denominator are different. The denominator in these two cases are different. First, we need to equalize the denominator. In order to equalize the denominator, what we need to do is, we need to do the LCM of the denominators. That is, we will do the LCM of 30 and 40 separately. The LCM becomes 120. The LCM of 30 and 40 becomes 120. So we will try to make both the number same. Why? How? By making the denominator 120. 120 is the common LCM. So we will try to make the denominator 120. 30 into 4 is 120. Again 40 into 3 is 120. So in this case, what we will do is, we will multiply the numerator also with the same number. As we have multiplied the denominator with the number, with that number only we will multiply the numerator also. So 25 into 4. And here 40 into 3. So 35 into 3. 35 into 3. Now we will compare what number we have scored. What number is scored by you and your friend in mathematics test. So ultimately you are getting 100 by 120 and your friend has secured 105 by 120. Now you can notice that the denominators are same. 120 and 120, both the denominators being same, we can easily compare the two performances and we can notice that 105 by 120 is a better performance. So your friend has scored better number. So this is what is in the chapter to express as a part. These comparison. This chapter is based on this fractional comparison. The fractional comparison are the basis of this chapter to express as a part. I hope you can understand whatever I have explained. Now I will move on to the next sum to give you more explanation. Suppose I am rubbing this portion. Suppose in the second sum. In the second sum, it is given that express rupees 2 as a fraction of rupees 20. Express rupees 2 rupees 8. Sorry, express rupees 8 as a fraction of rupees 20. How will you express this? The required fraction will be 8 divided by 20. Very easy. 8 will be expressed as a part of 20. So 8 by 20. Now you have to do cancellation. You have to reduce this 8 by 20. And when 8 by 20 you are reducing, you are getting 4 2s are 4 5s are. So ultimately you are getting 2 by 5 as the required answer or the required fraction. So these are the simple sums that will be given to you and you have to solve it like this only. Now moving on to the next sum. I am rubbing this sum and doing the next sum for you. Just follow the class carefully so that you can understand the chapter to express as a part. Next sum that we are going to solve is same. Express 30 minutes as a fraction of 30 minutes as a fraction of 2 hour 15 minute. 2 hour 15 minute. You have to express this as a fraction. How will you do? The required fraction will definitely be 30 minute by 2 hour 50 minute. 2 hour 15 minute. This is what you will write. Now, you have to convert either the numerator or the denominator. It is easier for you to convert the denominator. 2 hour means you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 2 hour is equal to 120 minutes. So, 120 minutes plus 15 minutes. So, what you will write is, in the numerator you will write 30 minutes and in the denominator you will write 2 hour. In place of 2 hour, you will replace this with 120 minutes plus 15 minutes. 2 hour will be converted into 120 minutes. Since the conversion I have shown, you will show the conversion. So, ultimately you will write 30 minutes by 135 minutes. 30 minutes by 125 minutes and ultimately it will become 6 by 27 or 2 by 9. So, required fraction is 2 by 9 and the answer will also be 2 by 9. In this way, we are going to solve the sums that will be given to us in the chapter, from the chapter to express as a part. These are the sums. In my next class, I am going to solve more sums so that you can understand the sums of these chapter. Till then, goodbye.